Introducing the Rice Dispenser 23 to 25 pounds and wash cup with easy-to-see cup measurements. The ultimate solution for all your rice storage and dispensing needs. With its large capacity and convenient features, this rice dispenser is a must-have for every household. The highlight of this product is its large 23 to 25 pounds capacity, which can easily meet the rice storage needs of any household. The airtight lid ensures that your rice remains fresh and of the highest quality. And with the one-touch dispense button, you can conveniently dispense the right amount of rice every time. What sets this rice dispenser apart is its unique measuring and wash cup. Unlike other products that only offer milliliter measurements, this dispenser provides both cup and milliliter measurements, allowing you to accurately measure your rice. Additionally, the drainage holes in the wash cup make it easy to remove the starchy water byproduct without spilling any rice. Designed with a slim and modern profile, this rice dispenser will fit seamlessly on any countertop or pantry. Its dimensions of 34 by 17 by 41 centimeters, 13.4 by 6.7 by 16.2 in, ensure that it takes up minimal space in your kitchen. The minimalistic design of this dispenser also adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. Not only is this dispenser perfect for storing and dispensing rice, but it also has a wide application. It can be used for other small dry food or grain products such as cereal, popcorn, oatmeal, beans, and even pet food. The transparent window allows you to easily see the reserves of grains inside. Rest assured, this rice dispenser is made of safe and high-quality PP plastic, ensuring its durability and longevity. We are so confident in the quality of our product that we offer an extended 3-month warranty for your peace of mind. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Please check compatibility before making a purchase. In conclusion, the Rice Dispenser 23 to 25 pounds and wash cup with easy-to-see cup measurements is a versatile and efficient storage solution for rice and other dry food products. With its large capacity, convenient features, and high-quality construction, this dispenser is a must-have for every kitchen. Package dimensions: 17.44 by 13.98 by 7.13 inches. Item weight: 4.29 pounds. Manufacturer: Novic Designs ASIN B08ZK46BT9. Customer reviews: 4.4 out of 5 stars, 178 ratings. Best sellers rank: number 437,532 in kitchen and dining. See top 100 in kitchen and dining. Date first available: March 19, 2021. Capacity: 25 liters. Volume: 23 liters. Number of sets: 1.